हेलो एन्ड नमस्ते एभ्रिवान, के छ सन्चै हुनुहुन्छ? आयो सबैजना सन्चै हुनुहुन्छ होला, म पनि सन्चै नै छु अहिलेसम्म चाहिँ। वेलकम ब्याक टु माई न्यू भिडियो। तपाईँहरूलाई चाहिँ म अस्ति 4 दिन बाहिर गएको थिएँ। 4 दिन बाहिर गएर फेरि स्कुलमा चाहिँ आएको छु। अब आज स्कुलमा चाहिँ आज के छ भन्दाखेरि आज स्कुलमा चाहिँ रिजल्ट र एक्जिबिसन पनि छ। त्यो कुरा चाहिँ तपाईँहरूलाई म भिडियोमा देखाउने छु, हेर्दै गर्नु होला। किप वाचिङ, किप लभिङ। थ्याङ्क यू अल अफ यू। नमस्ते, जय नेपाल, धन्यवाद। गुड मर्निङ सर। ठिक छ सर।
तपाईँको फेरि आमा धेरै दिन
होइन ठिक छ सर, म आइसकेँ। होइन आइसकेँ। गुड मर्निङ है सर। के गर्नु, प्रिपेरेसन भइरहेको देखाउनु पऱ्यो नि त होइन। प्रिपेरेसन भइरहेछ।
जमुना म्याम
गाइस के को लागि रेडी हो?
ज्यादा यो के भन्छ म्याथ एक्जिबिसन प्लस त्यो बच्चाको रिजल्टको पनि छ होइन, त्यसको लागि आइरहेको छौँ आज।
निरज गुरु
ए म यहाँ एक्जिबिसनको मान्छे।
ल वेलकम ब्याक एन्ड कन्टिन्यू है त। अब मैले देखाइहालेँ तपाईँहरूलाई, प्यारेन्ट्सहरू पनि आउन थालिसक्नुभयो। अब त्यो रिजल्ट र एक्जिबिसनको के हुन्छ कम्प्युटर एक्जिबिसन र म्याथ एक्जिबिसन छ त्यसको कुरा चाहिँ तपाईँहरूलाई म देखाउँदै गर्छु प्यारेन्ट्सहरू आउन सुरु गरिसक्नु भएको छ के हुन्छ सबै मोमेन्टहरू देखाउँछु हेर्दै गर्नु होला किप वाचिङ किप लभिङ थ्याङ्क यू
If you not have any problem, then can I ask you some questions?
Who wait and the earth at first market. Thank you.
के हो बाबु यो अलि लाउडली
Desktop model. Desktop computer is a computer that typically sit on a desktop. It is designed for a single user at home or in the office. Desktop computer have very advanced technology. You can see here, there is a CPU, there is a monitor, there is mouse, keyboard, etc. It have many functions in them. Desktop computer uses in many places. Desktop computer are used input and output devices. Thank you.
थ्याङ्क यू के हो
Namaste sir. I am Sweetie sir. And it's Nita Chaudhary. We are here on our project. This is my project and it is Abacus project. This is a keyboard shortcut rotating key. And it is addition and subtraction, multiplication and division project. Means that abacus. It is not a working model, but it is a rotating model. We can rotate it. Here is an arrow. If we will find anything, means CTRL plus D. We found CTRL plus D means odd. It means that if we will click on CTRL plus D, the front of the page will come out. And what you want to work on it, you can do on it. And it is a simple and it is a simple machine that helps the user to go to directly, not it will not consume a time. Means that give a keyboard, there is a keyboard. And if you know the CTRL plus what you want to do, means CTRL plus means it is a short form and the CTRL and the full form of it is here at the down part. Means that if we will click CTRL plus X means cut in the keyboard, the page will be cutted, and if we will click CTRL plus V, the page will be pasted in another page. Thank you. Now may I request our friend to explain about abacus.
Good morning sir, I am Nita Chaudhary from class 7 Diamond. Today I am here to present on the topic of abacus. Abacus is a mechanical device that is used for mathematical calculation. It has two regions, heaven and earth, separated by the midbar. There are two regions, heaven and earth. There are 5. It is heaven and it is earth. It helps user to do subtraction, addition, multiplication and division. Thank you.
So let me begin. Input is a process
ठुलो छ
Fuji is a processing device which transfers from an external medium into a computer. By telling this, let's move on to our device called mouse. Mouse is an input device which is used to. Mouse is an input device which is used like it points on the screen. By telling, let's move on to stylus. Stylus is a pen-shaped command which is put the command into a computer. By telling this, I would like to request my friend to explain more. Namaste sir, it's me Pusma Sami. We have class paper. Today I am presenting the model of input and output. There was input. Input is the processing of the transferring data from one place to another place. There was keyboard. Keyboard can help us to click button, these types of etc. There was mouse. Mouse is the pointing device. It can help us to a smaller device. Thank you for the listening. My friend Steve. Namaste sir. We are making input device or output device. And there are monitor, joystick, projector, and mouse, keyboard, or a stylus. Monitor in there was looking, videos, photos, and many things. In there was keyboard. Keyboard in there are capital letter or small letters, and many letters. Thank you. This is our star topology and grid topology. This is star topology. In this topology, there is a central device called hub. From hub, the cables are connected to the computer in order to connect the computers to each other. In this computer topology, if one link is broken, the whole network will work. But if the central hub will not work, then the whole computer network will not work. Now my friend will explain this topology.
In the ring topology, the topology is connected to each other in a closed by a single element device, the ring topology. The ring topology along the road network. It has so many advantages and disadvantages of the advantages are given below. In the connection between the device and disadvantages are any loss failure, house network failure, and just have a network.
Namaste sir, we are welcome to our school. I am Hina Singh to show you the 3D model of star topology. It is a type of computer network. It is used to connect computers to each other. Here is one central controller called hub. From the hub, all the cables are connected. If one link is failed, then all are working. But this is failed, then here nothing is been working. Here is one thing. If this link is failed, then we find easily. Thank you. This much.
Namaste sir. I am Navadip Prajapati. We all have made this project. Our project name is types of network. There are 3 types of network. They are LAN, WAN, and WAN. We also here. LAN is also considered as a local area network. We can take examples such as our residence, school, laboratory, and all. WAN is also known as metropolitan area network. We can take examples such as big cities. In those cities, we can take examples such as Kathmandu, Pokhara, Viratnagar, and all. WAN is also considered as a wide area network. We can take examples such as province, state, country, continent, and all. Thank you for listening me and have a nice day.
Thank you. Namaste sir. Namaste sir, welcome to our school. On the way of 791, we are presenting here multiplication box. Multiplication is a
fundamental arithmetic operation that combines repeated addition. When you multiply two numbers known as factor, you find the product. Thus, involve adding one number to itself or central number to time determined by the other factor. Thank you, sir, for listening me.
Good afternoon and namaste, sir. You are welcome to our computer and math exhibition. Today it's me, Meenakshi Sande, in front of you to explain our formulas. So first of all, let me explain about a formula. A formula is a mathematical or logical expression that represents a relationship between variables. It typically consists of symbols, numbers, and operators to find formulas. It commonly used in the various fields including mathematics, physics, chemistry, and engineering to model and solve problems. They can range from simple equation to complex mathematical expression. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for listening to us.
I am Anmol Arjun. I am Aditya sir. In this model, we are going to solve how a virus spreads from a pen drive to a computer. In our society, everybody uses a computer. But there are some thieves who want our data. In order to steal the data, they make unknown pen drives like this. And in these pen drives, they store virus and also the pirated content like famous films like Jawan movie up here. And the virus travels in its own speed. You can see here. Some virus travels fast, some viruses travel slow. And it affects the section of the computer which is made to infect. Thank you, sir.
Namaste, sir. I am Prince Yadav from class 5 presenting the project topic bar graph. Bar graphs are visual representation of data using rectangular bar to show the quantities or the value of the different categories. Each bar corresponds to a specific category and the length of the bar is proportional to the value it represents. Bar graphs are effective for comparing data across different categories or tracking change over time. The horizontal axis typically displays the categories while the vertical axis represents the value. Thank you. Have a good day.
My name is Sunita Sai. In front of you, I will give you some examples of solid shapes. Solid shapes are three-dimensional objects with volume and depth. Common examples: cubes, cones, cylinders, spheres, and pyramids. Pyramids have two circular bases connected by a circular basis is called pyramids. Cube has 6 equal squares while a square is perfectly round.
You have to look here also.
That is cone, this is cone, this is triangular, that is also triangle, this is a square, this is cone, this is circle, this is sphere, this is square.
Fraction, let's be presenting a fraction material to you. Fraction can represent in fundamental mathematics. Comprising of numerator and denominator are separated in horizontal line. Fraction related to the quantity of 1 and 4. More proportion. For example, you can see 2 by 8 signifies 2 out of 4. Proper fraction have a smaller numerator while improper fraction have opposite. Mixed number combine whole number with proper fraction 3 whole 1 upon 3. Understanding is curious in mathematics involving sharing, caring, and comparing quantity of fundamental concept in mathematical analysis. Thank you, sir, for see our project. Have a nice day. Namaste, sir. Addition machine. Addition is a fundamental of mathematics operation combining two or more numbers. It is denoted by the plus symbol. Whether working with integers, decimals, or fraction, addition follows the commutative property where changing the order of number doesn't affect the result. You can try and comparing
Good morning and Namaste Guru. I am about to see the types of angles. See the angle and see the mega. Angles are the geometry elements formed by two rows with is a common vertex and common arm. This various types of angle. Acute angle are less than 90 degree. And right angle exactly 90 degree. Obtuse angle greater than 90 degree.
This is an example. Thank you. Very good. And this both line meet at a point. It is called vertex, and it is called angle also. Angles are geometric elements formed by two rays with a common vertex and elements. Various types of angle exist based on their measurement and relationships. Here we have to make different types of angle. This is right angle. It is exactly divisible by 90 degrees. In right angle, there is two lines. These two line segments meet at a point, and this corner, it is called angle also, and it is called vertex also. And here we have right angle. It is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. It has example also like 120 degree, 130 degree. It's example. And here we have to make a straight angle also. It is exactly divisible by 180 degree. Here we have to make a reflex angle also. It is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Here it has examples also like 140 degree, 150 degree, etc. Here at last we have to make complete chord. It is equal to 360 degree. Thank you, sir.
Sir, time off, sir. You lose this game.
200 हुन्छ हो यो
200, sir. Sir, that is, I think, right answer.
200 हुन्छ हो
Sir, that is right answer, but you lose this game because your time off.
So we need to find the multiples of 10. 10 on the 10. 8 is 20. 10 is 30. Now 21. We haven't got certain number. So these we haven't got certain numbers of this. You have set 2 numbers. Yes. We haven't got any 2 minus 2 of any 2 minus 2. Yes. Then the LCM of it will be 20. While it will be 210 will be the answer of this you have asked the question. 210 will be the answer.
Hello, ma'am.
Namaste.
Good sir. के रेडी गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ यस्तो
सर्चिङ गर्दैछौँ सर हामी एक्जिबिसन
के रिजल्ट हो
Yes.
कति आएछ के भएछ
80%.
घटेछ कि बढेछ त
बढेछ.
बढेछ
खड्का दिएन कि होइन हो जय खड्का नि
हजुर
ल मतलब कहाँ चिने